Here I just have some Jordan 4 Shimmers that just came out on September 3rd. I'm pretty sure they sold out pretty quickly because of resellers and stuff. I ordered this pair from Goat. If you're not familiar with Goat, it's basically like StockX. It's basically a shoe or clothing reseller. So any Nike shoes or any brand that you're into that typically sells out on things, you can just order it there. So this is my second time purchasing shoes from there. So if you are new here, I did do a video where I unboxed a pair of shoes. They were my first pair of Jordan, my Jordan 1s, Lucky Greens. I'll put the link down below if you want to check that out. But that was my very first purchase from Goat, and my experience was very good. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna order from Goat again. But yeah, I'm so excited. I had these for like a few days. And I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to record myself actually opening it on camera. And I guess these are my little scissors from like kindergarten that I've kept, and they still work, so I will use them. But this is what they look like in the box. They have some cushion to protect it, I guess, during shipment. And it's actually upside down. But this is the Jordan box. It's pretty cute. I just want to really show everything. So yeah, these are the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro in the color Shimmer. This is my first pair of Air Jordan 4s. I only have a pair of 1s. And these are a woman's shoe, but of course men can buy these too. But they come in women's sizing. And I'm typically a woman's size 9. And I just went ahead and got my normal size, which is size 9. And it would be a 7.5 in men's. I'm so scared. So basically, yeah, I'm just going to show you guys up close all the information. Hopefully it's focusing. But yeah, that's what I got. And yeah, so we're about to open it. This is my first time ever looking at the shoes in person. I only saw them on Twitter, and someone posted them on Twitter about, oh my god, these new Jordans are so cute. And then I immediately bought them because I really liked it. So basically, a Goat is a reselling app. So someone will buy the shoe and then sell them onto Goat. And when you want to buy the shoes, I'm so bad at explaining things, but basically when you want to buy the shoes, Goat sends them to one of their places to get it verified. So this is my little paper that says it was Goat verified. They had to send it to the verification warehouse and then ship it to me before it was after it was verified. So this is that authentication to show that it was authenticated, verified. And so then it just has the little 23 paper. We're about to get my authentic reaction to these. I'm so excited. Oh, there's a sticker. So it comes with a Goat sticker. I might put this somewhere. Okay, cool. I did not know Goat put stickers in there, but this is my first reaction. Let me make sure it's in camera. Oh my god, they're beautiful. There's ink on my hands because I had a printer problem, so hopefully they don't rub off on the shoe. But they look pretty good. They look kind of big, but I guess my feet are kind of big. But the color, this is like the perfect fall color because I basically ordered these because I needed a new winter sneaker, because the sneaker that I've been really wearing is the Jordan ones. Like I said, I've been wearing those to the ground. Like I'm kind of tired of them. I still love them and I will wear them still. But when I get a shoe, I wear them all the time. So I don't mind spending a little bit because I know I'm gonna wear my shoes out. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna turn down the brightness on my light because it's a little bit bright. But this is what the shoe looks like. And of course I'm gonna get some more camera footage of it up close and stuff so you guys can really see the detailing. But as you can see, it comes with some pink laces, which I probably won't use. I mean, I'll try them out, but I don't think the color really matches. Like, why? I just want to know why they picked this random pink color to go with this. I don't really see the vision. Maybe I have to see someone else style them, but I don't know. I feel like they should have put like some brown laces or something. I don't know. But let me just take it all in and look at them. So basically, it has the air bubbles or whatever right there. So I guess it's supposed to be comfortable. It is so bright. I need to turn it down. Okay, you guys can see. So basically it has the air bubbles right there. Some mesh detailing here. The laces are like cream or white. I can't really tell. This plastic thing. I'm really not a shoe person, so I don't know what you call this stuff. But right here is like a dark brown, like a tan color. I don't know, tan, white. It's just different colors. I just really like the coloring. Like, do you guys see the different colors? Obviously it's like dark orange or whatever, and then a light cream, and then this weird like mauve. I don't know what to describe these colors, but you can see. I just really like the detailing of this shoe. And you can see the purple pink laces. I really want to know what they were doing with the color choices. They said, ooh, we making the shoes for women, let's throw some pink on it. The tongue of the shoe has the mesh detailing, has the Air Jordan logo on it. It's like a metallic silver or whatever. I really like the detailing of that because it just really stands out. And yeah, inside is that same like dark cream. Let me try and show you guys. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it has the Jordan symbol in there as well. And yeah, so let me pull up the other shoe. Inspecting it, it looks like it's brand new. It's supposed to be brand new. Doesn't really look like it was worn or anything. It just came out September 3rd and it's like September 30th, so yeah, I'm pretty sure no one wore these, but this is what they look like. The lighting is so bright right now. But yeah, this is what they look like. I'm very excited to wear these in the fall, like I said. Like, I'm just imagining this with like a Yeezy inspired like sweatsuit outfit with like neutral colors, and then with my Louis Vuitton Petite Matisse. I can't even pronounce it, the Petite Matisse. I feel like this would match so perfectly with this shoe. I'm just gonna wear this a lot. This is like literally, like I said, the perfect fall winter shoe because it's such a good neutral color. Oh, and I didn't even show you guys the bottom of the shoe. So it's just the cream and white. It looks how about we try these on? I need to get socks. I'm gonna put some socks on and then try these on for you all. I guess I'm gonna tilt the camera down. If you see stuff on the floor, ignore it. Okay. So these are the shoes. I feel like I should take this off, right? I don't know yet. So this is with the first shoe on, and I do got some Nike workout leggings on right now, so I guess it really matches the video. It was not planned like that. But what's weird was the other shoe didn't have one of these in it. I just noticed that. What the heck? Or do I have it on? Whatever. Anyways, it feels very comfortable so far. So I have both shoes on right now. This is what they look like. They feel very comfortable actually. Like, I feel like Jordans are really comfortable. Like the Jordan ones I have feel about the same. Oh, these look so good. I just looked in the mirror and these look so good. I cannot wait to wear them this season. But yeah, I also wanted to let you guys know that I do have my own clothing brand called Coffee X, and I just launched it over a month ago, and I would love if you guys checked it out. I'm going to put my website on the screen. I'll probably put a screen recording of my new drop. I just dropped some clothes for fall that I absolutely love, and this shirt is actually from that drop, my store Coffee X. So definitely check it out. I'm gonna have a coupon code, so if you guys want to buy something, you can get some percentage off. And yeah, so definitely check out my brand. Follow my Instagram at Coffee X, my TikTok Coffee X, and all that. And yeah, thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.